Remember, just 24 hours to go. At this time tomorrow, the first phase of Lok Sabha elections will be taking place. In Kerala, it is Pinarayi Vijayan versus Rahul Gandhi for the state. And how? Pinarayi Vijayan targeted Rahul Gandhi, questioning his silence on the CAA. Remember, the parties are together as alliance partners in the India bloc. But here, Kerala Chief Minister called out Rahul Gandhi for not speaking about it against the Citizenship Amendment Act during his address in Wayanad or during his Nyaya Yatra. He said Congress should admit that they are on the same page with the Sangh Parivar on the CAA. This basically comes after Rahul Gandhi questioned, why is the Bharatiya Janata Party not targeting and not going after the Kerala Chief Minister and are not sending probe agencies after him? Rahul Gandhi has said that Pinarayi Vijayan should take out some time also to criticize BJP than talking about Rahul Gandhi 24/7. Immediately going across to Thiruvananthapuram, Shibimol KG is joining me. In fact, today she is in Palakkad as our India Today team of reporters are constantly traversing through their states where they have been covering the Lok Sabha elections. Shibimol, I find it very interesting. They're supposed to be alliance partners. Why is it that Pinarayi Vijayan is now charging at Rahul Gandhi, even though together they could actually form seats? They're not in alliance, I know, in Kerala. But even then, why do you think this is happening? Why this face-off?
Well, Pooja, before also we have seen the Congress and the left at loggerhead, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan consistently attacking Congress. But this is the first time probably we have seen this Rahul Gandhi versus Pinarayi Vijayan contest, this direct contest, because Rahul Gandhi usually targets the left as a whole, but for the first time probably he has said specifically on Pinarayi Vijayan, saying that why is the probe agencies not going behind Pinarayi Vijayan. He speaks consistently about me. He's 24/7 behind me, but not speaking directly on Prime Minister Modi, just like how I do. And he also requests Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to spare some time to speak about the BJP also and not just him. These are same things that the Kerala Congress leaders speak. It came as a bit of a surprise when Rahul Gandhi also spoke about it. So it's more of a heat in Kerala, the battle in Kerala heating up, because the left and the Congress, for both the parties, it's very crucial, because last time, if you see in 2019 Lok Sabha election, the Congress had almost a clean sweep here because they won around 19 out of the 20 seats. Most of their seats last time came from Kerala, so they need to maintain those seats. They need to retain those seats, and they know that, this time it's not going to be that easy to maintain 19 out of the 20 seats. And for the left also, it's very important to, win few seats from this state, as they have to maintain their national party status. They have to ensure that their presence is there in the country for the Lok Sabha election. So there is
the only state they are currently active in government and strong is the state of Kerala, and they wouldn't want to remove that stronghold. And Rahul Gandhi, of course, his Wayanad constituency is very crucial as well. Appreciate you joining us, Shibimol KG, for all the latest coming in from Kerala.